First, cut a 6-inch yarn scrap and loop it into the center of your fork. Then, take yarn and wrap it around the fork many times. The more yarn you use, the fluffier your pom-pom will be. Using the 6-inch yarn scrap's ends, you're going to tightly knot the center. Be sure to double knot it so that it doesn't come undone. Pull all the yarn off the fork. Now grab a pair of scissors and cut the two ends. You now have a fluffy but uneven pom-pom. Go ahead and trim the edges until you're satisfied. When you're done, go ahead and add your pom-pom to a project. This pom-pom was made for my baby snowman, and I have a free crochet tutorial on my channel. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Happy crafting! Bye now!